year we knew we wanted to make Wind Up bigger and better than last year. So we went ahead and we expanded to Chelsea Market, where we were able to increase capacity from 18 brands to 30. A lot of these brands are online only, and for you to really see the watch and feel the watch in person helps you understand better what sort of quality goes into the watch and get a real sense of the watch. This whole idea of a more approachable, sort of down-to-earth watch fair featuring, accessible brands works.
Wind Up's been great, foot traffic's been amazing, and people are really reacting positively to the product that we have here. I believe it's a great opportunity for the industry because, again, it's allowing to get that customer that would not necessarily walk into that jewelry store. A lot of people are shopping on the internet and they're not getting the feel for the product, they're not seeing the product, and this is that opportunity to pretty much take it to the next level.
First year at Wind Up, it's been amazing. Being able to look someone in the eye and hand them your watch and say, I made this. We work with this artist that's hand painting our dials, and they can see it in person, and there's nothing to replace that, so it's been awesome.